In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the first Descendant crashing on PC. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So now there are some fixes or possible fixes to fix the crashing error on the first Descendant game. So the first fix that you can do is simply close the game properly before relaunching. So when the first Descendant crashes, the game's exe file could still be operational in the background in a frozen state. So close that exe properly before relaunching it. So to do that, simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape simultaneously on the keyboard to launch the Task Manager. Now click on the Processes tab if it's not selected already. Now scroll down and check if the game's exe is shown there. So if the game's exe is on the list, right-click on it and select End Task and try relaunching the game. The next fix is verifying the game file integrity. So how to do this, just open Steam and find the game under the Library tab. Next, select the first Descendant on the left pane and look for the Settings gear icon. Now click on that icon and select Properties from the menu. After that, find an option called Installed Files and click on the Verify Integrity of Game Files button. Wait for the process to end before relaunching the game. Next is reinstalling the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. So to do this, just visit the Microsoft Visual C++ page. So it's right here. You can just simply search this on Google. Now under the latest versions, download the x86 and x64 versions. Now download and install all the versions from 2013 to 2022. Once that's done, restart your PC. Next is you want to restart the graphics driver after a crash. So press Ctrl plus Windows plus Shift plus B on your keyboard simultaneously, and the driver should reboot, and you will see a flicker on your screen. And now try relaunching the game. Next is manually reinstalling the anti-cheat program. So you want to visit this file path, or just go to your Steam file path, go to Steam Apps, go to Common, go to the first Descendant, and Easy Anti-Cheat. Now click on the Easy Anti-Cheat underscore EOS setup exe file, and the anti-cheat program will reinstall. So if it asks for administrator permission, click yes and relaunch the game. Next is updating your graphics driver. So just update your graphics driver. Next is enable the rebar for Intel GPUs. And in the game settings, just disable ray tracing and DLSS. So all of these methods are recommended to in order. So you need to do this in order for the problem to be fixed. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.